I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So for today's vlog, I will be dropping this off. Plus I will be seeing my friend Clarice. So this is her gifts. 1, 2, and 3. So she get 3 gifts. Because I couldn't find like a bigger box to just put it all in one, so I just kind of like separate them into 3. So I'm wearing the Zara, I don't know why it's too bright, but I'm wearing the Zara top, Zara pants on the Doc Martens boots, and this top is actually from Boohoo. I thought it was from Forever 21, but this coat is actually from Boohoo. I have no idea why I'm too white or I'm so pale in this camera, but I didn't put any makeup on. I literally just put some eyebrows, curled my lashes, and lip balm, and literally call it a day because my skin, you guys, yesterday, I don't know, for some reason it burns, like, and it's so dry. I don't know if it's because of the weather. Every time, this is why I hate winter time, because I'm normally combination to oily skin, but my skin gets really dry over the winter, and I'd rather have oily skin than like dry skin, because I don't know how dry skin people survive, because I hate it, like I hate it. So I slather my face with moisturizer and just SPF and just call it a day. So yeah, and then of course the lip balm from Burst Beast. But yeah, my skin is, I don't know what happened. And also choker from Christian Dior. So anyways, I'm gonna go now because it's gonna take me an hour to drive all the way to her house, and we are going to, I don't know if we're going to Rockville or Virginia, because we're going to eat brunch now. I haven't even eaten breakfast. So anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, we're here at the Iron Age, our place. This is our place. So we got some salad and some side dishes. We got beef brisket. Ano ba to, be?
Beef bulgogi.
Beef bulgogi and regular beef.
Soy pork steak.
Oh my god, you guys, if you can just smell it. She's eating salad because she's healthy, whatever.
Gusto ko yung red onion sa salad eh. Oh, mas bet ko yung, yeah, yung may spice. Yeah, kasi sa, I mean, I like white onions, but at the same time, I prefer red onions. Gawin na sa mga bisa. Yeah.
So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Second round, guys. We're hungry. Beef bulgogi, right?
Yeah.
And we got more here.
Beef bulgogi and lime fried chicken.
We're waiting on the we want to try the soy chicken because we haven't tried it yet. Yummy. Yummy yum. Kimchi be, you want some? We're done eating. You guys, she have a channel, but please tell her to upload.
Yeah.
Please tell her to upload. Convince her to upload. This is what, second round? Not third round, but yeah, we are done. We had the soy chicken. It's really good. It's pretty, not so bland, but yeah. We finished it, but it's good. Oh my god, nakatagalog. Every time I always say Tagalog. We're here at Gongcha. We're going there. We got some Gongcha. This is the dirty brown sugar latte. I got 2, she got 3. Look.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. Look at that, it's so cute. Hi guys, so oh my goodness, I just had to stop by in the side of the road because I thought I forgot my glasses. So I have my glasses already, and I have to stop by at the gas station because I don't have gas. I'm running low on gas. I'm trying to find my lip tint because my lips are dry. So it would, oh my god, I couldn't even vlog because we were just talking and talking and talking. Literally, if we're together, all we do is just chica. We call it like all just like chismes. Like all we do is just chat. So I couldn't even like really vlog. But I hope you enjoyed that little time with Clarice, my friend. She also gave me a gift, which is it's in the back right here. It's really huge and heavy actually. I don't know what she put in there. I have no idea, but I'm gonna open it on Christmas Day, of course. You guys, we have 1 more week till it's Christmas. Well, let me just apply this. And we took a picture at Gongcha. If you don't know Gongcha, it's like a bubble tea place. This is the place that we really love. We used to go to Kung Fu Tea, but Gongcha is the best. But anyway guys, I think I'm gonna stop by at the gas station first. So anyways, let's go because it's already also late in the afternoon. Hey guys, so I am finally back home. So let me just insert a clip from 2 days ago because I received a package from Emma, no not Emma, but Chamberlain Coffee, which is Emma Chamberlain's brand. But yeah, I ordered some coffee from her website. I think it was when it was Black Friday sale, and it just arrived 2 days ago. So I'm just gonna insert that clip now. I just got this package today. This is what I ordered, I believe last Black Friday, and it just came in the mail. And it's the Chamberlain, I don't know how to pronounce this, Chamberlain Coffee. I got her a new one. This is the, I think this is the step bags. This is the early bird blend. And then I also got the ground, oh my god, it's big. I thought it was tiny, but this is huge. I also got the social dog blend. This is, how do you call this? You can see that the caffeine strength is 4 out of 5, so I like it strong. And this one is light roast. If you are looking for coffee that's strong, get the light roast. So I'm gonna make a overnight cold brew. I'm gonna use this and make like a overnight cold brew, so I have coffee tomorrow. I'm so excited, and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. And also with this one, I think I'm just gonna try this weekend and let you guys know as well. Also, I received a package from LV. It's the USPS package. I don't know, for some reason they look like this, like there's like scotch tape all over them, and they just look beaten up. I don't know what happened there. But this is the thing that I had stuck from Louis Vuitton. That's nice that they come with this little box. So you guys, look. Ah, it's my initial, so it's GT, so that's my name, Glenn, and T for my last name, which is so cute. So I can finally put it on my Alma BB bag, and that's so cute. So anyways, if you own LV, and if you purchase, because I didn't know that it's free, so yeah, if you want to get it hot stamp, it's totally free. You don't even have to pay for ship. So stop at Bonchon because I freaking love their chicken. Their chicken is amazing. And I also ordered shrimp shumai. And you guys saw earlier, we also stopped by at Gongcha, which is a milk tea place. We Asians love milk. And the bag that I use today is my Speedy 25. I haven't been really like using this, but yes, I use my Speedy 25. This is the monogram, and this is the Damir Ibn print. So yeah, this is the 25, and this is the Alma BB. I do love both prints, especially the monogram. I love it, but I actually love the mirror bin as well. So yeah, this is my Speedy 25. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna eat, and I'm excited because I want to film the what I got for Christmas, because I think this next week we're gonna be exchanging Christmas present as well with my friend Amber, Ashley, and Stephanie, and I just did with my friend Clarice. So I'm excited to open the presents, but I can't open it now. I have to wait until it's Christmas so I can open it. And I also order some Christmas present for myself because I feel like I deserve it after working so much hours. And you guys, I am not working on literally the actual Christmas day, 25th. That means Friday, so I don't have work. Plus New Year's, I'll be home, so that's like literally the first time in forever that I don't have to work. Because the past couple of years I've been working Christmas Day, so now I'm finally off on Christmas and New Year's. So I'm grateful that I can you know, just spend it with my my husband. So yeah, that's our plan. I think I'll be cooking some food as well. I think I'm gonna cook some spaghetti, you know, like the Filipino food, Filipino spaghetti, and also I think I might cook some lumpia. I think that's about it, because it's just the two of us anyway. And I'll probably cook some dessert, or make some dessert, which is the I want to make more. I think I'm gonna make some leche flan or mango float. I think it's between those two. So other than that, I'll be home at Christmas, and tomorrow I'm gonna film like a makeup video and also the assumptions video as well. So okay, anyways, let me just get undressed, you guys, and eat my dinner because I am starving. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this short vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yes, I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.
That's what Christmas is all about.